Hey everyone, happy Friday. It is so freaking hot here, like it's crazy. We canceled our Hawaii trip because we had a family emergency, but everything is fine, thank God. My husband rebooked it for August. We will not be going to Oahu, we're gonna go back to Maui, so I'm excited. But of course, if anything happens, we will cancel again. Big news is that we bought a home in Harlingen. I'm super excited. I saw this one online and I called our realtor so that I can look at it, and I immediately fell in love with it. So I called my husband and I told him, I just sent him videos and he 1000% trusts my taste. He made an offer on this really cute home and they accepted, and we're actually gonna close next week. So everything's happening really, really fast. I'm super, super, super happy. I love San Antonio. I have a ton of friends here, but Harlingen is Harlingen. That is, I don't wanna say that's home. It's not. Home is here with, of course, my husband and I love San Antonio, but it's nice to have something that we can go to and it's a different vibe. It's just super chill and just, I don't know, like I just love the valley. I went to Anthropologie and I bought some stuff for the house. I will be doing a, what do you call them? Like a empty house tour. I don't know when I'm going to be going, I guess because we can close virtually. So here is a lot of the stuff that we just ordered for the new house. Those right there are plates, mugs, salad, plates, everything there. I'll show you that in a minute. These are some decorative pieces. I also went and bought these for the laundry room. I'm gonna put pods in here. I bought one big one and then two smaller ones. I'll show you those at the house. And these are from Pottery Barn. These are gonna be throws for the beds or the sofa. I'm not sure where I'm gonna use that. I have a bamboo flatware organizer that we bought at the Container Store. This comforter is for the queen size bed for the guest bedroom. I have the flatware, and these I'm super excited about. These are by Cozy Earth. I looked up cozy, not cozy, but luxury linens for beds, and these popped up, and then I researched it, and supposedly these are Oprah's favorite. So I'm super excited to put these on our bed. I got the move-in set, and I'm not gonna lie, these were pretty expensive for the set. I think we paid like $1,500 for everything, excluding the pillows, so we still have to buy pillows. So once it's set up, I will definitely be sharing that with you guys. And then this stuff, what is it? I don't even know. These are glasses. These are glasses from Pottery Barn. Another decorative piece down there, and something's in there, but yeah. And then we'll be taking this computer with us. Let me show you the dessert plates. Super cute. This is the dinner plate. These are by Bunny Williams from Ballard Design. And these are the bowls. I love these bowls so much. They're so beautiful. Got that. And then over here I have the saucers and mugs. These are the little saucers, but the mugs are way down there. So I'm not gonna open it all, but trust me, they are super cute. We ended up ordering two sets, two 20-piece set, like dinnerware, what am I trying to say? We ordered two sets of 20-piece dinnerware. Let's see, what else can I show you that I have handy? I'm gonna have to really package these because we have so many boxes that we are taking with us. So make sure that this is all. My dogs are like totally getting on my nerves. They start up like at 4:30, 5 o'clock, in and out of the house, like till like 8 o'clock. And then as soon as my neighbor gets home, they go crazy. Okay, what else? Let me go open the door for these dogs. I'll be right back. Let me show you really quick the flatware that I picked out. My husband's so awesome. Like, he lets me pick out everything. Like, he doesn't really care about what. He knows I mean, I have pretty good taste. It's a little expensive, but he totally trusts me. I look like a hot mess, sorry. We initially bought 6 of the flatware. Oh my gosh, what is happening here? Let me get situated. It's been so hot here in San Antonio, like crazy. Like, you don't even want to be outside. Okay, we initially went to Hola. Oh my God, what is happening? Lullaby, you're such a piggy. Mommy loves you so much. Okay. Beta. Okay, so we bought the flatware from Pottery Barn. We bought a lot of stuff at Pottery Barn, but we initially bought 6. So we ended up going back to buy 2 more because we have 4 place settings in the dinnerware, if that makes any sense. But these are so pretty. And the reason that I chose this style is because I don't think that this part will get so scratched up, because I know that when they're just flat, they tend to get really scratched up. So these are the ones that we both agreed on. Super cute. So we bought 8 of these. What else can I show you guys? I really need to start getting organized because we are leaving Friday, and quite possibly, well, I think I'm gonna come back on Tuesday, and my husband will probably come back on Monday. I have some things to take care of with my Thea. And then tomorrow we are going to a Dave Chappelle show. So I'm super excited. I love Dave Chappelle. What else can I show you guys? I have so much stuff here, you guys, like so much. I really need to get organized, and I really need to take an inventory of our dishes because they were not cheap. And my husband's like, did you take an inventory? To make sure that we received everything. So everything is good to go with that. But let's see, what else can I show you? Let me grab them. This whole area is like so messy. I bought these glasses for the dinnerware. I think it will be a really beautiful match. And these are also from Pottery Barn. So I bought these, which will look really nice with this. Super cute. And then I did buy another set of glasses. They were a little thicker and they're just clear. I'll show you those at the house. I'll be able to show you way more once I start putting everything up in the house. We are waiting for Restoration Hardware to call us. So I actually grouped everything together so everything can be sent at the same time. So I'm waiting for them to call me so that we can coordinate that. Hopefully it'll be before our trip to Hawaii. If not, we're just gonna have to schedule it after. And we also ordered our stove, which is an abduction, not abduction, it's abduction, not abduction, that's not the right word. It's an induction stove. So we ordered it along with our refrigerator, and I was fine with just ordering just a regular electric stove, but my husband is the cook, so he really wanted an induction. It is stainless steel with brass hardware. I do plan on changing all the hardware out in our kitchen, including the sink faucet into either not a bright gold, but kind of like a brushed gold. So I will be doing that in the near future. We are at the condo garage, picking up a cooler. We have some fruit and stuff that we're taking, but as you can see, I'm like jam-packed. Super excited to be going home. Let's get off for 2 minutes. Okay, so here is the entrance to our home. Turn right here. This is one of the guest bedrooms. Has a little nook there. I'll probably do a floating shelf for a computer, a small computer. And then the day bed is gonna go here, possibly a chair in this wall. And over here is where the TV will go. And then it's got your closets, which have some built-in little drawers, which is nice. And then in this room, oops, sorry. And this is the room where the queen size bed is gonna go. So we're gonna put it up against this wall. There is a little window. So that is nice. Got the ceiling fan, and same situation with the closet. I already have my stuff in there. That is for our bedrooms. That will be for our bedroom there. But it has some nice shelving as well. So then you walk over here. Excuse me. It's got that nice little nook here. I will be changing that out because I'm not really feeling that. So it's got some storage space. You walk in here. That is the little living area. I am loving the lighting in the little nooks. This is kind of a little fireplace, but it's more for show. It's cute. And it does let out a little bit of heat. And then those are the windows to the backyard. Here are the chairs that I bought from my best friend. They are beautiful. She's recommending I leave all 6 out as opposed to just leaving 4. So I am on the hunt for the perfect dining table. I will eventually change that out. And then this is our little kitchen area, which is a complete mess. Loving all the lighting in the cabinets. Those pendant lightings eventually will also be changed out, as well as all the fixtures. My husband is rolling his eyes because I'm gonna do that. But I am wanting to do a brushed gold. So I will be changing that out, as well as all these. That is where our induction stove is gonna go. And that is where our refrigerator will go. It's a small little opening. This little area can be a coffee nook, but I think I'm just gonna leave it as is. And I'll show you where I'm gonna set up my coffee nook. This is the laundry room, which I love. It has a sink. Super nice. We already ordered our washer and dryer. That will be delivered on the 23rd. This is the powder room, which I will eventually change out the mirror and the light fixture in time. I don't want to freak my husband out. So that is the bathroom. And then that is a little dining area. And this is the pantry. So that is a little, kind of like a bar area, but I'm gonna make it a coffee nook. The microwave is gonna go right in there. And then there's plenty of shelves for food. Super organized. And it's got like a little cupboard right here. Little, you can put whatever in there. But I'm really feeling this little area for my little coffee station. Hold on, you wanna go outside? You better not go under that fence. Okay, watch. They're just testing the waters here. They're smelling. I'll show you the outside in just a second. I have to keep an eye on these girls because they're moving on to the primary. This is it. It looks bigger on video, but it's not. It's rather small. The bed will be up against that wall, and then I'm gonna do 2 end tables with 2 large mirrors, so that's gonna look really nice. And then here is the primary bathroom, toilet, nice size shower, closet. My husband already started putting some of his shoes there. But this side is gonna be mine for my dresses to hang. And my husband will have this side. And then it's got the drawers. Moving on over here. Have to keep an eye on those girls. So that pretty much sums it up. Did I show you the laundry room? I think I did. And then the garage is in here. I'm thinking I'm gonna do something here because we'll probably be coming in through the garage more often than not. But let me show you the outside. Here's the outside. It's a good size for the girls. There's the yard. It's already fenced. But there's like a little gap right there. Lola, no ma'am. Yeah, we need to get that situation taken care of because my dogs are crazy. There's kind of a big gap right there, but it's actually a good size yard. We can actually probably put a small pool over there, but I don't think we're gonna do that. We're just gonna leave it as is. But it's super cute. Okay, so that is our little tour of our casita here. I love my little casita. We still have a long way to go before we're completely situated in the house, but it's gonna take a little bit of time. My husband is probably gonna leave on Tuesday and I'm gonna stay behind because I have some things to do with my aunt. So I'll probably end up leaving on Thursday. Wednesday, I'll probably pick up the sofa with my father-in-law, the one that my best friend sold me. So I already saw it. It is beautiful. It is so beautiful. I'm so excited about that sofa. So that'll happen Thursday and I'll leave on Thursday. But I think for the time being, my husband's gonna buy me an air mattress so I don't have to stay at the hotel. So the girls will end up going back with him because I'm in my Porsche Macan and he refuses to let the girls in that vehicle because the interior is a very light tan and it's a no-go for my monkeys in my car. So he'll take them back with him on Tuesday, if not Wednesday. But I'm super excited. So there will be a part 2 of my little casita as I continue to get situated. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching and I will catch you guys later. Bye.